Career transitions can be challenging, but with the Career Victory Portal, you'll have access to cutting-edge technology, expert guidance, and AI-driven tools to support every phase of your successful career journey. The Career Victory Portal is intuitive and easy to navigate. Whether you're refining your resume or reimagining your next chapter, everything is just a few clicks away. The Career Victory Portal speaks your language, supporting users worldwide with multilingual access tailored to global needs, supporting anyone, anywhere, at any time. Strengthen your competitive advantage with tools like our advanced resume builder, powered by AI to craft ATS-friendly resumes that stand out. Enhance your online presence with our built-in LinkedIn optimizer, and explore tailored opportunities with our intelligent job match feature, filtering roles within markets and across the globe based on your goals, skills, and career aspirations. Gain clarity and confidence with CMP's proprietary assessments, designed to uncover your strengths, align your values, and eliminate career paths that fit. Combined with market-aligned tools, you'll receive insights that support informed, empowered decisions about your future. Hone your interview skills with our interview simulator, customized by job type and powered by AI feedback. Record, review, and refine until you're ready to impress. From global industry guides to a worldwide LinkedIn network directory, the Career Victory Portal delivers curated content, company insights, and a global job seeker community wherever your career takes you. Explore expert-developed learning modules covering everything from resume writing and interview prep to retirement planning, entrepreneurship, offer negotiation, and onboarding. No matter what your next opportunity looks like, the Career Victory Portal has you covered every step of the way. And when you need a personal touch, our experienced career coaches are here to guide you through every challenge, decision, and victory. With built-in scheduling and chat options, connecting is easy and seamless. Stay on track with a personalized dashboard that lets you monitor your progress, revisit key milestones, and measure your success as you grow. Whether you're starting fresh, pivoting careers, or planning what's next, the Career Victory Portal empowers you to move forward with purpose and confidence. With the Career Victory Portal, your path forward starts here.